Officially my first official day at Drive Protected. We are going to be starting to do a weekly vlog around here, shop vlog. Me and Eric just ran out of the office for a second here, but we're going to do a shop vlog. We're going to show you guys kind of what happens around Drive Protected throughout the week. We will not show too much production of the pre-cut PPF kits that you guys buy at driveprotected.com for all your Teslas, and that's just due to our lady that does the production in the back there does not like being on social media or being filmed. So we will respect that and we will keep her off. But we'll show some cutting stuff from time to time or some orders like this order right here that is ready to go out. And she is getting more orders going as we speak here. Currently trying to get some more systems in place and get things rolling. This is called making the boss work. So first thing, one of the things we're doing today is Eric's getting different wheels on his car. Not a fan of the gray wheels on the car. And they're gonna get powder coated black because they put winter tires on there for winter. So these ones are going onto the new wheels. So we're gonna go bring this to the tire shop and get those put on. All right, guys, so we should have a CyberTruck pulling up here anytime now that we are doing a full satin black PPF wrap on. So just gonna wait for that thing to show up here. Should be here right away, and then we'll get that thing going. All right, here it is. CyberTruck is here, black PPF. Yeah, let's go check them out. Let's go check out these new wheels. Eric just got, boss, just got new wheels put on. All right, look at that. More orders going out. Tina's just crushing it. All right, guys, we are in the back in the production area where we cut all of our pre-cut templates that you guys can buy on our website. Eric's getting the templates set up right now for the CyberTruck. So we're gonna cut satin black for the CyberTruck. We got it all disassembled, ready to go, play bar, we're ready to install. Oh, I do need an alcohol wipe it.
And prep the edges.
And prep the edges.
It's like it's his first day on the job or something.
I clearly don't know what I'm doing at all, and I shouldn't have been hired for this job.
Yeah.
But we're going to
let Tony go before the end of his first week. Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, if I should be fired before the end of this video, let me know, but don't worry, I'll finish editing this video. If this video goes up on Saturday, you know I didn't get fired before it got edited.
Bingo.
Let's go. Let's go. Driveprotected.com. All right, so Eric is currently gone right now. Tina's gone. I'm the only one here right now. Editing one video, but got edges wrapped this morning. Just gotta put stuff back together. And apparently we gotta refilm our intro for this video because Eric was going through some footage this morning and said audio was corrupt for our intro, so that's fun. Also, got the CyberTruck decal that the customer brought us to put up on here. Put that on. All right, I'm gonna take a break from editing for a bit and we're gonna go wash my car. The car that I drive to work and back. That is not mine, but is mine. It's owned by my boss. Just give me a break. Let's go wash it. It's end of the week. It's Friday. We're a paint protection film company. We might as well have. We're gonna wash the car, but before we do that, we're cracking a cold one. And it's a cold brew, not beer. Just relax. I'm not drinking on the job, but I'm drinking on the job. Okay, let's wash this car. All right, got my car clean. Now, Eric wants to clean his car, so we're gonna swap vehicles and get another one clean. Get her clean, get it clean. Everyone loves a good clean car for the weekend. All right, guys, it is end of the day Friday. I need to get this clip up onto the vlog so we can get the weekly vlog up. This is the first weekly vlog at DP Drive Protected. Guys, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Drop us a comment down below on what you guys think of these vlogs. Should we do longer vlogs? Should we keep them this length? What do you guys want to see more of or less of? We want to hear your opinions. We want to do this so that you guys can see some more behind the scenes of the stuff that we do here at Drive Protected. This is my first official week at Drive Protected. It's been a lot of fun. I've been really enjoying it. Let's have some fun together, guys. So drop it down in the comments. Make sure you guys subscribe. We'll see you guys next week.